This is Plotly Cloud, the fastest and easiest way to share Dash apps with teammates. Publishing your app to Plotly Cloud is a breeze. Just drop your app folder into the upload page, make a few small configuration changes, and you're ready to go. No Docker file or messy server configurations to manage. Just drag, drop, and you're done. Publishing an app from Plotly Studio is just as easy. Deploy your app with one click and it's ready to share with teammates in minutes. For developers, you can publish apps directly to Plotly Cloud from your app's developer tools. Or use our CLI to run automated deployments from your terminal or CI/CD pipeline. The CLI is agent-friendly as well, so you can easily collaborate with an AI agent to deploy and manage your apps in Plotly Cloud. Once deployed, you can inspect your app's logs and manage its lifecycle with just a click. Access control is built into Plotly Cloud, not bolted on like DIY solutions. You can make an app public, share it with your whole team, or a specific group of users as needed. Role-based permissions are assigned within our simple management UI. And if you need SSO and domain verification, our enterprise plan allows users to log in with an array of popular identity providers. See our documentation for more information. When hosting your app on Plotly Cloud, you can enable a powerful AI analyst chat agent. No code changes are required on your part, just flip the switch and you're ready. The agent can create and display visualizations and answer ad hoc questions based on the app's data source and the callbacks in your app. It's just one of the many power-ups you get when hosting your app on Plotly Cloud. Our enterprise plan also gives you access to all of our enterprise libraries, including Dash Embedded, OAuth, and the Plotly Scheduler. You can embed your app seamlessly into applications without iframes, secure your connections with individual OAuth tokens, and schedule functions or data refresh with premium libraries you only get when hosting with us. Teams across every industry are shipping production apps on Plotly Cloud. Their timeline used to take weeks, but now they're shipping apps with enterprise-grade security in minutes. See our examples gallery for some of the incredible data apps built and hosted with Plotly Technologies. Get started with Plotly Cloud today for free. There's no credit card required, and you get unlimited public apps and up to 3 named viewers for private apps. When your team grows, needs custom domains, and enterprise identity, the upgrade to our enterprise plan is fast and easy. Connect with our sales team by visiting our website to learn more. Well, that's a quick overview of Plotly Cloud. Try it yourself today. Sign up for a free account and publish your first app in just a few minutes.